Let's try the PG tips. Ow, init. Ninang Mary Ann wants to try the tea from England. The brand is PG Tips. Wow. Let's try the PG Tips. Ow, init. Try natin tong PG Tips, guys. Wow, it's nice. Pero try natin yung fresh milk. Try natin lagyan ng fresh milk. Try ko nilagyan ng fresh milk. Lagyan natin pa ng konti. Gusto ko maraming milk. Milk tea, guys. Ayan na yung milk tea natin. Wow. Long sarap. Masarap ng milk tea ko, guys. Iba talaga yung tea nang galing galing ibang bansa. Masarap, guys. 100% talaga malasahan mo yung lasang green tea talaga. At saka yung brand na to, this is the first brand daw lumabas. This is the first brand green tea in England. Am I correct? Comment down below, my viewers from England. Yeah, first brand daw yan na green tea sa England. Cheers. Masarap talaga. Thank you for watching. Bye.